Hello, dear kids. Today we will draw a cute little house. Let's start step by step. First, draw the roof with 3 corners like a big triangle on top. Now, under the roof, draw a big box. This will be the wall of the house.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
In the middle of the house, draw a door.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y.
Next, draw a small window with 4 little squares inside.
Next time, won't you sing with me?
On top of the roof, draw a small pipe for smoke. This is a chimney.
E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X.
Now draw small green grass on both sides of the house to make it look nice.
Time, won't you sing with me?
And now, make all the lines bold with a black marker.
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
Wow! The drawing looks even better now.
Y, and Z.
Now let's color it together. Red color. Fill red color in the house walls. Color. Color the roof with yellow.
Up and put it in his pocket. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Blue color. Use blue for the chimney, smoke pipe, and the window.
In his pocket.
Color. Fill the door with pink color. Green color. Lastly, color the grass on both sides with green. Kids, amazing job! Our cute little house is ready.